Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best vinyl plank flooring kit is probably one of the most sought-after DIY home improvement solutions on the market today, offering a fantastic blend of affordability, durability, and aesthetic versatility that can dramatically transform any living space. This video will guide you through everything you need to know before, during, and after installation, ensuring a smooth and successful project. Number 5. RAK Contour Gauge. This year, give Dad a gift that's both useful and thoughtful. It's the perfect addition to his toolbox, helping him tackle any project with ease. Duplicating shapes is now a breeze. Simply press it onto the object, lock it, and trace. It's that simple. With 182 thin teeth, it conforms to any shape for a perfect fit every time. It ensures accurate duplication of profiles. From carpentry and tile installation to auto body work and DIY projects, it's a versatile tool for any job. It's a handy addition to any toolbox. The strong lock ensures precision and stability. Once set, it stays put, guaranteeing consistent results. This contour gauge is more than just a tool, it's a gift that shows you care. Give the gift of precision and ease this year. What we like. If you need to precisely copy irregular shapes for flooring or other projects, this tool is a must-have. It's incredibly easy to use, simply trace and lock. This makes it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, ensuring accurate cuts every time. What people say. The real magic happens when you're trying to cut around pipes or fit flooring around door frames. It's like having a photographic memory for shapes, except you don't have to remember anything because it's literally right there in front of you. Great tool. My husband found very useful cutting vinyl flooring to fit like a glove. Great for woodworking template and when tiling curved areas. Number 4. WORKPRO Flooring Installation Kit. This kit has everything you need for a professional flooring installation. It's perfect for DIY projects or professional use. It features a durable cast iron head with a soft PVC striking surface to protect your flooring. The lightweight hickory handle makes it easy to use. Made from strong A3 steel, it's built to last and won't scratch your floors. The soft pads on the back provide extra protection. This sturdy polypropylene tapping block provides a solid base for accurate installation. Its solid construction ensures durability. These non-slip spacers ensure even gaps between your flooring planks for a professional finish. They're included for your convenience. It's ideal for laminate, LVP, LVT, vinyl plank, and hardwood flooring. This kit makes installing your new floor a breeze. This complete kit makes a great gift for anyone tackling a flooring project. It's a thoughtful and practical present. What we like. This kit boasts a reinforced mallet for controlled strikes, preventing damage to your flooring. The heavy-duty pull bar ensures smooth installation, even in tight spaces. If you're tackling a large flooring project, this comprehensive kit has everything you need for a professional finish. What people say. The pull bar is heavy gauge and has felt pads so it doesn't scratch the floor as you use it. The spacers, actually shims, came in handy as well. This tapping block was my best friend throughout the installation, it's a must-have 100%. The mallet is a game changer with rubber and hard plastic heads, so you can switch sides depending on how much force you need without damaging the planks. The metal pull bar works great but is a little on the thicker side if you're in a super tight spot. It can be hard to fit, but leaving a gap it works fantastic. The tapping block and mallet are just what you need. Number 3. EZARC 64-piece flooring kit. This kit has everything you need for a smooth installation. It'll make the whole process much easier and more convenient. The mallet's rubber head and non-slip grip absorb vibrations for a controlled strike. It's designed to protect your flooring. The reinforced pull bar and durable tapping block are built for tough jobs. They'll help prevent damage to your planks. These comfortable knee pads provide excellent support and protection while you work. They'll make the job much more comfortable. With 60 spacers included, you'll have plenty to handle even large flooring areas. The serrated edges help keep them in place. What we like. It includes all the essentials for a smooth installation, plus added extras for comfort and efficiency. The protective knee pads will save your knees from discomfort, and the extra spacers make quick work of larger areas. This is the ideal choice for those who value convenience and comfort. What people say. Easy to use, very durable, work great, useful, lightweight. This was my first vinyl plank installation. I put 825 square feet together using these tools. Overall decent quality, the hammer was good quality. Just hard enough to bounce everything in without damaging it. Great little pack with everything you need to make your project that much easier. Also, the rubber mallet and little brick helped me move a little faster when and let me whack a little harder. Number 2. ValueMax Laminate Flooring Kit. This kit has everything you need for a professional laminate or hardwood floor installation, at a fraction of the cost. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its double-faced PVC head provides a soft yet effective strike, and the non-slip glass fiber handle ensures a secure grip. The head is molded to the handle, preventing it from falling off. This extra-thick steel pole bar is designed for strength and corrosion resistance. Its wide front edge and felt pads protect your flooring planks from damage. Made from durable polypropylene, it can withstand repeated use. It's designed to be sturdy and reliable for long-lasting performance. The extra-thick foam knee pads provide comfortable support, while the 30 included spacers ensure even gaps between planks. These features help make your installation easier and more efficient. What we like. This kit prioritizes durability and comfort. The mallet head won't fall off, the pole bar is sturdy, and the extra-thick knee pads provide superior protection. If you are looking for long-lasting tools that will stand up to the job, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. These tools made installing the floor easy. They were very functional and pulling together the floating floor pieces. They were tough, a good quality, a solid weight. They fit in exactly where needed. Being a female with smaller hands, I found the mallet to be a perfect fit, not too heavy. Foam knee pads were really great. The block worked perfectly on the long short side, and the pole bar is very heavy duty, indispensable for the last couple rows that the block won't fit. High quality for the price dash. These are not high-end tools, but I ended up using all of them. The knee pads are simple heavy-duty foam with Velcro straps. I am 57 and 300 pounds and they worked perfectly over and over. Still using them for other jobs. Number 1. NAACOO LVP Installation Kit. This kit has everything you need for a professional vinyl flooring installation. It solves common installation challenges, saving you time and effort. The sturdy nylon tapping block protects your hands while ensuring even installation. Its handle gives you better control and prevents injury. These spacers come in 2 sizes, one 4-inch and one 2-inch, to accommodate various flooring materials and expansion gaps. Their design prevents slipping and tipping. Easily duplicate and transfer shapes for curved and oddly shaped areas. It creates an instant template for a perfect fit. The pole bar's durable steel construction and soft pads protect your floor from scratches. The double-faced mallet has a secure head, ensuring reliable performance. What we like. This kit offers a unique combination of tools to tackle any flooring challenge. The contour gauge handles irregular shapes with ease, the handle tapping block protects your hands, and the 2-in-1 spacers provide flexibility for various gap sizes. If you value precision and versatility, this kit is your best bet. What people say. The tools are sturdy and I definitely recommend. Made installing vinyl plank flooring easier for me. Doing the whole house. Love how spacers stay on top of flooring and don't fall over like the cheaper flat spacers. Good hammer to use on pole bar and rubber end to tap on flooring locking joints. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.